Welcome fifth graders. This is your choice board video tutorial, your video to help you out. So what you do once you log into Google Classroom is you click on Cambambia fifth grade, you click on classwork, and in order to access the reading and writing at home learning, the choice board, you're going to click on the topic on the left side and it brings it up, or you can just scroll down and it's right here. Reading and writing at home learning. This is going to be your work for April 6th all the way to April 17th. That's 2 weeks, this week and next week. So I think it's easier if you click here on the topic. Then what you do is you read the directions. You're going to be using this choice board that the district has put out for you guys. It says fifth grade. The only work that you're going to have to do for me this week and next week for reading is going to be 3 Achieve 3000 articles. 3 Achieve 3000 articles. And for writing, choose a writing prompt to write about in your journal that you got for 10 minutes 3 times a week. So 3 journal entries for this week and then 3 journal entries for next week. So you can either click on the link here from the choice board and it'll take you to Clever. You log in with your Google account to log in to Achieve 3000. Remember, you work on 3 this week and make a 75 or above. For the writing prompt, the prompts will be in the choice board. It's a link and it takes you to April writing prompts. You have 30 to choose from. Select 3 for this week, and in your journal, I would write the date, and then I would also write the prompt on the top of the page and then write complete sentences and write about 4 to 5 sentences on each prompt or more. Check for swag and write complete sentences. So going back to the material in Google Classroom, I've uploaded the April writing prompts for you. If you don't want to click on the links in the choice board, here's the Clever login. It takes you to Clever. Log in with Google once again, and that's it. That's all you have to do for me for grades. Please make sure that you're staying on top of this. Once again, just 3 Achieve 3000s for this week for 5th grade. And then choose a writing prompt to write about in your journal for 10 minutes 3 times a week for this week and next week. And the directions are all here. And this will count for your reading and English grades. Remember, writing is English. And if you have any questions, please feel free to add a class comment here, go to the stream, share something with me, or send me a message, send me an email. I'll be emailing you guys, so please check your email. So once again, to access your online choice board, you have to click on this topic, and this is what it looks like. So I hope this was helpful, and that's all you have to do once again. These 2 tabs, because you're in 5th grade for me, and then that's for Mr. Fudge Math and Science, but he's going to explain that. So for reading and writing.